If you've forgotten your YouTube password or need to change it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to reset it. Step 1. Go to the YouTube sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube sign-in page. Click on the sign-in button located at the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once you are on the sign-in page, enter your email address associated with your YouTube account. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, you may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to receive the code. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code. Enter this code in a designated field on the YouTube page and click Next to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, confirm it, and then click Change Password to finalize the process. Now you can sign into your YouTube account with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure for future access.